Hello everyone, my name is HMD Afif Fitrianto from the Management Study Program. Here I will explain about the history of the development of accounting. The history of the development of accounting reflects a long journey from a simple recording system to a complex and structured discipline as we know it today. Here are some important stages in the history of the development of accounting. 1. Ancient times. Mesopotamia and ancient Egypt. Early evidence of accounting records was found in Mesopotamia around 4,000 years ago. During this time, accounting was used to record trade transactions and agricultural products. These records were made using symbols or images on clay tablets. Ancient Rome. In Roman times, accounting began to develop further with the implementation of a more formal recording system, although still simple. Accounting tasks were held by people called scribes who recorded government and individual financial transactions. 2. Middle Ages. In the Middle Ages, with the development of trade in Europe, accounting was increasingly needed to record increasingly complex business transactions. The systems used were generally manual and single-entry based. 3. The invention of double-entry bookkeeping. Italy, 15th century. One of the most important milestones in the history of accounting occurred in the 15th century in Italy, with the emergence of the double-entry bookkeeping system. This system was invented and popularized by an Italian monk named Luca Pacioli, who wrote about it in his book, Summa di Arithmetica, Geometria, Proportioni et Proportionalita, in 1494. This system regulates the recording of transactions with two sides, debit and credit, which later became the basis for the modern accounting system. 4. Industrial Revolution, 18th and 19th centuries. With the development of industry and trade during the Industrial Revolution, the need for more systematic recording increased. Many large companies began to implement accounting systems to manage their financial statements. This is where the concept of the income statement and balance sheet began to become more widely known. 5. Professionalization of accounting. 19th and early 20th centuries. During this period, accounting began to develop into a more organized profession. Professional associations such as the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, ICPA, in the United States and the Institute of Chartered Accountants in the United Kingdom were formed to set standards and codes of ethics for accountants. Accounting standards were also increasingly introduced to provide clear guidelines for financial recording and reporting.